Are you an experienced cook looking for your next contract at sea? This is your chance to join a RoRo vessel sailing under the Cyprus flag with an immediate start available. The position open is cook, with a salary of €2,250 per month, paid on board only. This role is essential for maintaining the well-being of the crew, because good food means good energy at sea. The vessel is a RoRo type, specialized in roll-on, roll-off cargo. With shorter voyages compared to deep-sea vessels, you'll be working in a stable environment and returning home at the end of each contract. Contract conditions are clear and transparent. 3 months on board, plus or minus 1 month depending on rotation needs. Salary, €2,250, paid directly on board. Joining, ASAP. Positions are available immediately. As the ship's cook, you'll play a vital role. You'll prepare daily meals, plan menus, and make sure the crew has nutritious food throughout the contract. A strong galley keeps morale high, and honestly, it makes you one of the most important people on board. The vessel sails under the Cyprus flag, which is, part of the European maritime tradition. This gives you the stability and reliability of an EU-flagged contract. Registration is simple, fast, and 100% free. Just go to candina.crewinspector.com/public/main and upload your details. Candina offers transparent recruitment. No placement fees, no hidden costs. If you are an experienced cook, ready to join a RoRo vessel under the Cyprus flag, this opportunity is waiting for you. Your skills can really make a difference. Not just for the ship, but for the entire crew. Apply today with Candina. Your next contract at sea begins here. Apply now.